welcome back to cheschyns channel. I'm Cheska.
I'm Chyns.
And in today's video, it's very new setting and everything. We're gonna do a unboxing video.
Shoe unboxing.
Oh, this is one of the most exciting moments of my life. Well, here it goes. Huh?
Well?
So, I'm just kidding.
So, in this box right here,
Guess what it is?
It is what it is. It is what it is.
I can't. No, I'm just kidding. Well, ladies and gents, we have the Yeezy. Wait! No, drama. We got the Yeezy 350 V2 Desert Stage. That's such a long ass name. Hold up. To be exact, if y'all were still wondering what we just said, it was. Hopefully y'all can read it, but.
so it's just released like within this month.
And like it was one of those like raffles for Yeezy. It's our first pair of Yeezy, so like don't judge us.
So let's
unbox
so
weird,
it.
don't judge me. Yeah.
Fast forward.
So yeah.
So we have our broken nails
scissors.
to open it.
Just kidding, it's scissors. Oh, he did it? And another box. Okay, so wait. I love unboxing videos, guys. Oh my gosh. Wait. It almost slid off. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so if y'all can't read 350, 350.
Yeezy
I
boots
don't know what else to say.
made by ADIDAS.
Is it turning?
Mr. Kanye himself.
Yes. We got a size 6.
And it's a size 7 in women's size.
Yeah. You're probably wondering why you only get one pair. Because like it's too expensive. I'm just kidding. No, but we have the same size.
share.
Yeah, so we sometimes share. So like, yeah. Whatever.
What we have here.
Slide it out.
Whoa. Oh, spoiler alert. Oh wow, it's pretty. Someone like opened it. I'm just kidding. Oh, so I get this one and she gets that one. Now we have we have our own. Just hello. Wow. So we got it.
Do you ever just smell the shoe because it's new?
Basically, it says, I don't know these numbers. Okay, what? UK 5.5. Oh.
Okay, I'll show an up close. 360. Excuse my nails.
So guys, we basically got so there's some orange in the inside.
There's this foam, cloud foam.
Alright, let's try it on. We should.
One foot at a time.
I don't know how else, like, what else to say about this. Like, it's just this. Like, I don't know.
But it's cool. We have an unboxing video. I'm also filming in this side.
Okay, let me just take off the little plastic thing.
So,
Whoa. That's pretty dope.
okay, we're gonna try put it on
Okay.
right now.
Okay.
Since we're in the car.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. How did he get out?
Someone's gonna barge in.
Okay, fine.
So we're gonna have a special guest.
Yeah, hey guys. A carpool. Wait, this became a carpool.
Carpool.
Hi, come here. Dude, come here.
Dude, come here.
Come here.
Okay, close
Like-
it. It's fine. Okay, so hold up. I'm trying to try it on. It's such a small space in the car. Hold up.
Excuse my socks, but
Whoa,
Yo.
it matches though. How did you put it on?
it's
Did you untie it? Oh my god. Okay, I could low-key see the reflective because like I can see the
look
reflective.
at that.
I can't put it on.
Hello. You guys.
Okay, I got it on. Because I'm wearing thick, fuzzy socks, guys. So, because it's super cold.
Am I hype yet?
I look weird. Okay. Wow. This is so embarrassing. I can't. My outfit's so. This is how it looks. Don't judge. I'm wearing blue PJs and my socks. Very embarrassing. I'd rather wear socks with it because, yeah.
Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm an asshole, she think I'm a player, she keep running back.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.